Another beautiful day on the farm. Breakfast is served. Come and get it. Ready to harvest the big crop, Ash?
Yeah, I am.
Look at these stalks. The rain really helped. I bet I can make it to the barn first. I got it! I got it! Maybe two at a time. Tough guy. All loaded. Hop on, I'll drive. King of the castle! And we're rolling!
Faster, Ginger!
End of the line. Good hauling, partner. That'll hold her steady until market day. Gotcha! You're quick, kid, but the bug was quicker. Playtime's over. The cows are waiting. Steady. Steady. There. Full to the brim.
Just a little further.
Don't look at the milk. Look at the path.
Whoa!
Nice save, kid. Not a drop wasted. Well, almost. Perfect spot. Everyone passes by here. Sweetest corn in the county. Get it while it lasts. We did it, kid. Every last ear. Another day done.
Do we have to wake up early tomorrow, too?
Farmers always wake up early, Ash. That's the job.
We have another big day tomorrow.